Start.
Jai Jagannath.
Jai Jagannath. How are you?
I'm okay. You?
I'm okay.
Super.
What do you want today?
Today,
Yeah?
let's do chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani?
Yes,
Sure?
for sure.
Okay, chicken biryani. Let's go.
Let's go.
What do you, Monica?
Chunguri tankari.
You want chungur curry?
Yes.
Today?
Yes.
You make it?
Yes, I make.
Okay, let's go. Chunguri curry and biryani. Bas. Enough.
Prawns. I'm making prawns.
This is the proper way how to make onion for right? Yes, let's go.
This is how you marinate prawn with yogurt, garlic, ginger paste, and some masala. Now we will put it to fridge. Okay, so now what we have here, Ram?
Gota masala and gola marcha.
So we are putting some masala here,
Yes.
some more masala,
Yeah.
more spices in the oil. So we infusing the oil with the masala, and later we will put what? Now we put some onion to the masala. Very good.
Yeah.
And what more?
No more and mix.
Now we just mix.
Yes.
Very good smell. You can smell the masala and the onion. Very good. Ram, what we are now putting to the
Just chili powder.
chili powder?
ଟିକେ ଲଙ୍କା ଗୁଣ୍ଡ ପକେଇବା ନାଲି ଆସିବ ବୋଲି
To make it a little bit spicy.
yes
Okay.
and ginger garlic paste ପକେଇବା ଏନୁ
Ginger garlic paste. What we put it also in the marinade, but now we will put it also here to the oil with the onion and masala.
yes
Let's do it.
yeah
Okay.
ଅଳ୍ପ ପକେଇବା ଏତିକିରେ କଷେଇଦେବା ଆମେ
Okay. So it will be even more spicy now. But you can see the color change because of the masala. Now I can smell a lot of ginger and garlic. That's very good.
Monica
I'm just waiting for the food.
yes
Okay.
no.
Oh, Ram,
Monica yes
what we are putting now?
now it's chicken Monica can you please chicken put there
Okay. So Monica is taking chicken,
yeah
and let's see.
ଆମେ ମ୍ୟାରିନେଟ୍ କରି ରଖିଦେଇଥିଲା ଆଗରୁ ତାକୁ ଫ୍ରିଜ୍ ପକେଇ କଷେଇଦେବା
So we put
Yes.
put the marinated chicken,
yeah
and now we will mix it with the masala and onion, and it will be beautiful.
5 ମିନିଟ୍ 7 ମିନିଟ୍ କଷେଇଦେବା ଭଲ ଭାବରେ ଚିକେନ୍ଟା ଟିକେ ଭଲ ଚିକେନ୍ ବାସ୍ନାଟା ପଳେଇବ yes you understand
No.
yes this one chicken
We mix the chicken
Yeah.
with the masala and onion.
yeah
That's what I said. Until it's cooked. And after that, we will put some water and make it boiling or what? Okay, so we are now boiling water for the rice. Is it working?
yes
Okay, good.
ତେଜପତ୍ର
We put bay leaves
bay leaves ତେଜପତ୍ର in ଓଡ଼ିଆ
because it makes
Okay.
the rice tastier.
yes
We put
This is-
also
ମସଲା ଗୋଟା ମସଲା
some masala, which is there is cardamom,
Dancing.
anise, cinnamon, different types of masala,
Yeah.
spices. Also cumin I see, so different types of masala.
and black pepper
Black pepper, but the whole one. The leaves. So Ram, what we are doing now?
and now is the chicken masala and turmeric powder haladi powder
Okay, turmeric powder
yeah
to make
Yeah.
like a yellowish color,
yeah
and also it's
and
very healthy.
just biryani masala
Biryani masala
yeah
to make it even more spicy. Bless you.
and chicken
And then we put even more masala.
it's
Some
a little
bit of chicken
yes,
masala
yes.
and little bit of
Garam masala.
But just little bit for the taste. More masala, more taste.
yeah
That's the
then
Indian
Indian
rule.
masala yeah
3
minutes 4 minutes ଆମେ କଷେଇ ନେବା yeah
So now we mix it with the new masala and we continue cooking.
ଚିକେନ୍ ଆମର ହେଇଗଲା finish the chicken. This chicken finish. Okay. Now is the rice finish. This chicken finish. You look.
Looking very nice.
Yeah.
So when chicken is finished
Yeah.
and rice is finished, we will put it to the pressure
Almost
cooker.
rice finish.
Rice almost finished. We will give it a little bit.
I think
few
5
minutes more.
minutes.
5 minutes more.
Yeah.
Chicken also.
Finish.
Chicken is finished, and we will put it together and put it to the pressure cooker, right?
Yeah.
So now we are putting the wall pepper, black pepper.
No, this is labang. This is
Sorry.
already-
Yeah. Now it's cloves.
Yeah.
Cloves to make
2,
it
3,
also.
4.
Yeah, 3, 4.
I think.
It's also making for the.
I
better
don't know in
taste.
English,
And this
but-
one, is it not anise? No.
Yes, I don't know
How
English.
you say in Odia? Or
Maybe I forgot this Odia.
Okay.
With this, I don't know.
Yeah, we
Okay.
don't know, but it's good. You can see how does it look like, so you will use it.
This put
Okay.
there. And
Now we put some
Gujarati and
Gujarati.
ghee. Just little bit ghee.
Ghee. Okay.
Yes, this is Gujarati. Very tasty and
Gujarati.
yeah.
Yeah, this one I don't know how is it name in English.
I mean,
But-
Gujarati because it's from Gujarat.
no.
No, it's different.
Yes. This is a ghee.
It's a
Ghee.
bit of ghee, but it's a powder. No, it's
No,
a
no.
small
Oiling.
oil. Yes,
This is a rice.
to make it make a little bit oily. Yes.
ଭାତଟା ଏମିତି ଆମେ ଠିକ୍ ଠାକ୍ ଗୋଟେ ଭାବରେ ଛାଡ଼ିଯିବ ସେମ୍ ଟାଇମ୍ରେ ଆଇ ଡୋଣ୍ଟ ନୋ ଇନ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ଇଜ୍ ଭେରି କମ୍ପ୍ଲିଟଲି ନଟ୍ ଇଂଲିଶ ୟା
No problem.
I'm not good English talking,
Yes.
but little bit in English. It's you adjust please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Ram. What now?
Yes. First ghee.
We put ghee to the pressure cooker.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's already melting.
Start video. This space in.
We put crispy onion
Yeah. Little
to the
bit.
ghee.
Yes.
Just a little bit.
Rice.
Now we are taking rice.
Yes, my.
Okay. Taking rice and
Yes.
putting
Dum dava dum. Dum
the
by rice.
to the pressure cooker
Yeah.
to the bottom.
Yes.
Now we putting a little bit
Ganga
of
jala.
rose water,
Yes. And a little bit.
another ghee,
Little bit. No small.
Just-
Very small.
very small,
And biryani masala.
another masala, biryani masala,
Yes.
and now
Chicken.
chicken.
Stuff.
Now we are putting
Chicken, yeah.
So we are doing like layers.
Yeah.
So first was
Right
rice.
there, yeah.
Now we are putting chicken.
Yeah. First time rice and chicken.
Chicken.
Second is rice,
Okay, so it's a layer.
layer by layer.
Okay.
फास्ट आम लेयर देदेले
Hmm.
तापर आम चिकेन को दम देदेबा
Okay.
10 सेकंड की 10 मिनट 15 मिनट देदेबा स्लो फ्लेम रे हाई देबेनी हाई लागि दियो ओके
Mm-hmm.
दिस वन लेयर फिनिश
No, biryani.
कैन बिरयानी
Ah.
First, biryani.
यू कम
No, open.
हियर हियर
Not possible.
बिरयानी रेडी
Mm. Look at this biryani. The smell.
It will be good.
स्मेल इज गुड
Yes. It smells like biryani.
या
Biryani.
Smells. It's good.
लुक हाउ डू फील बिरयानी
It's very good.
It's very tasty.
Very tasty.
Marik, Monica, yes, very good.
Very good. Approved.
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 Okay.